Today we're at the very famous Santa Pod Raceway for Flame and Thunder, where horsepower meets absolute chaos. In this video I'm going to take you through only the best bits of the crazy shit that goes down this weekend. I'm talking jet cars, lots of them. I'm talking motorbikes, I'm talking, oh, here we go. I'm talking stunt shows, I'm talking lots of things. It is windy, it is cold, but I'm going to give you only the best bits of this weekend. So, let's get into it. This is the famous Stunt Arena at Santa Pod Drag Strip, and right behind it we have the famous drag strip where all the crazy stuff happens. And this weekend I'm going to show you all of it, including up close looks at the jet cars, some of the drag cars, and all the crazy stuff that is at this show this weekend. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is Oklahoma Willie. It's a 1958 Volkswagen split screen pickup with a Rolls-Royce Viper 535 jet engine with 5,000 horsepower. But due to its weight and size, it barely goes over 160. This is the Spider-Man jet car. It is running a P&W J60 jet engine and is capable of speeds of over 257 miles an hour. This is the Firestorm Jet Funny Car. It is running 5,000 pounds of thrust with afterburners and 10,000 horsepower. And this is the fastest of them all. This is Fire Force 5. This has a P&W J60 engine and can reach speeds of over 300 miles an hour.
everybody now wave. Let's just try it just very quickly once we get ready. Everybody wave to the left and stop. Everybody wave to the right. To the left. To the right. To the left. To the right. And downwards. And upwards.
Well, that was a very, very windy and cold flame of thunder. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you like the stuff I do, don't forget to subscribe and please hit a like also. See you in the next one, peeps.